from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light.
It's another day of VLOGMAS ish.
Stuff from the cuffs,
VLOGMAS hour style.
stuff from the cuffs, stuff from
Just
the
dropped the girls at school. And the traffic is crazy. One, we're not in Kingston. Two, it's not close to Christmas Eve. Traffic.
stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Everywhere you go, you see sail. Everywhere you go, you see road work. Everywhere you go, you see bushing. What are you doing in your neck of the woods? Just living, you know? Life is just for living. That's it, traffic, you know? After 9 in the morning, traffic. Early.
So it's here. It's after 3 in the afternoon. We picked up Bella already from school and we headed to Little Caesars. I had a promo pick to do for them, so we just got that done and we're now headed to Brian's work. We're gonna get some more shots. But yeah, Brian eating off all of the promo pizza. A joke, he's not eating it out because we have more. We have much more. I have 1 seal box and some. So this is the second promo that we're doing for Little Caesars. We did a video before and now we're doing the photo post, which is supposed to go up soon. So yeah. What do you have to say, Mr. Cuffed? Belly full, not sure. Feel nice. Machine.
So what if on the side? Batmobile.
Wow.
Could you drive that? You want one of that?
Me? Sure. It's coyote.
You can't hold in that. Me?
You can't hold in there.
We, the family.
Oh well, that's true.
Car.
So where's the driver?
Old school muscle.
Driver leave it and gone?
Batmobile, drive itself. Old school muscle.
See that? Batmobile. What?
If that lean part in them new car, I must right up. Look on a little back thing on the front.
Oh, this is classic. Oh, this is nice.
Easy Batman.
So the police had to block off the road for the traffic to come out of Groveport. I'm figuring more or less
that it's been backed up for
yeah, and he was probably coming from that way and wondering why no car can't come out.
Well dressed and was admired by a lot of girls in school. However, he never had a girlfriend. Why? Because his sister Dolores was always by his side and he was stopping the progress, man. At home, being the eldest of the Reed's children, he would assist with the daily chores such as cooking, especially baking roti and dal, going to the market, dressing and combing his little sisters Dolores and Beverly's hair, and he used to babysit the younger siblings, Hamlet, Angela, and Wilson, my mom. He had a great relationship with all his siblings. Robert and his father Roydell had lots of fishing adventures together. They explored all fishing spots around Salt River, Pig Bay, Bolt Sea, and others with their handmade pans. They went line fishing, they went net fishing, they cast nets, and they even did deep sea spear fishing surrounded by sharks. Now the day is advancing and the sun is at mid-sky, so come along with me. Robert advanced to the College of Arts, Science and Technology, now the University of Technology, UTech, where he specialized in biology, chemistry and physics. Now the day wore on and now it is the close of day. In July 2022, Robert was diagnosed with COVID-19, and this weakened his immune system and ignited an illness which affected his internal organs rapidly. During this period, his faith grew stronger in the Lord, and he spent his days praising and praying and reflecting on the goodness of God. Now, as a patient, he remained calm and patient. He told nurses and doctors that he was a patient waiting, and they would laugh. The songs that kept him during those trying times were songs like "Your Grace and Mercy has brought me through. I'm living this moment because of you." And close to his ending, he used to sing, "It is well with my soul."
Alright, so it's the Christmas season, and I grew up in a strict traditional home where we didn't even usually say the word Christmas too tough. It was really about happy holidays. Occasionally, it really was just to say we don't believe in Christmas and what it's about, you know, the whole presents and Santa and everything, and it just was a no-no. And over the years, having my own family, having evolved too, before even getting my own family, I realized that a lot of people would say happy holidays, enjoy the season, but they would not say Merry Christmas. And in my head, isn't it the same thing without the word Christmas? Right? Yeah. So over the years, when I started having my own family, I said, all right, we are going to celebrate family, fun, festivities, friendship in that whole time without the whole commercialization of it. I mean, yeah, every now and then, if the clothes is what is available, if, you know, what's wrong with wearing matching PJs and taking family pictures, you know. So there are some elements of it that matter to me now, and for my own family that didn't matter when I was younger. So we're doing things a little different, you know.
Yeah, I love Christmas. I have no problem saying Christmas. I have no problem saying happy holidays. That's what I grew up saying, because we never really celebrate Christmas when it comes down to like the pepper lights and all that, Christmas tree, etc. But I have no issue now celebrating Christmas as a time to be spent with family and to exchange gifts. I have no problem with the gifts aspect. I have no issue with the gatherings and the family photos, etc. Christmas to me means family, and it means spending quality time with each other, and throwing in the presents is just a little extra. But yeah, I love Christmas time. It feels different. Everything feels different. The roads, it's obvious on the roads, but apart from that, it feels different, and I love the season. Like right now in Mandeville it's cold. Yeah. Yes.
18 degrees, 16 degrees in the morning.
Cold.
If you hear me a little stuffy, yeah, I'm recovering.
And we're outside, and I want to go back inside. It's like, what time now? After 5 in the afternoon, and it's cold. So I love that about Christmas time as well, and I love going out. So there's a particular house in Mandeville on Ward Avenue that always just put up this whole heap of lights.
More than one house.
Yeah, 2 houses. Yeah, 2 brothers, and they're just it's just always so exciting to bring the girls because they love seeing the lights and they love seeing, you know, the different decorations and, you know, just how those persons really embody the whole, you know, Christmas spirit kind of thing. Some days they give out gifts, that the whole works. So I love that part of Christmas as well.
The truth is that Christmas means spending more, yeah, Jesus. Anyway, I'm joking. But it's really spending time together. Yeah. You may end up spending more in a sense because certain things that you would have wanted to get throughout the year, you find a better time to get them. You see the different opportunities to get some of these things on sale, whether or not you agree it's a sale. And most importantly, it's the time that you have a lot more time together. So you make use of the time, you know, you fix up and you get rid of the old things and the junk and
and declutter and all of that. So yes, the traditional way of doing things where you fix up the house and you change the curtain. No, I'm not changing no curtains, I go wash them. Change the curtains. Like, curtain expensive. I don't have no figurine. And you cook the big cooking and, you know, just make the place feel a little different. I love that about Christmas and I have no issues doing it and I'm looking forward to this holiday.
Yeah, watch out for the matching PJs.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright in the world so dark. They're bringing some love.